be fed. I'm like a dog in a bag. You know that life's such a drag. If you ain't got a dog in a bag, a beach or freeze or Pekingese would be fab. Get me a dog in a bag. You know it wouldn't faze me, astound me or amaze me if a dead should decide to be my pet. I'd surely stop complaining if I owned a Pomeranian who comes with a handsome vet. My heart needs a puppy to hold, a lesser Epsom all my own. That happy schnauzer would be loved till he's grown. Get me a dog in a bag. Woo-woo!
Still with us after the big storm. I think that the build up to it and all of the news. I was watching the news and I didn't go to bed until 2 a.m. thinking, oh my gosh, is my car still going to be there in the morning? And then it was absolutely nothing down here, wasn't it? I know Ray was in London when it happened, and there was cranes going around. You told me earlier there was cranes swinging around and all unpleasantness like that up there. But we got away with it lightly down here anyway. Anyway, it's nice to see the blue skies with us today, and that's the title of this lovely Irving Berlin song we're going to do next. Here we go. Blue skies smiling on me, another my blue skies do I see. Bluebirds singing their song, not in my blue skies from now on. to. It's one of my, well, most of the songs I do are favourites from somewhere or other. This is a lovely rumba that I'm sure everybody will know, and it's called Sway.
you have a way with me, stay with me and swim. sway with me. Other dancers may be on the floor, but my eyes will only see you. Only you have a magic technique. When we sway, I go weak. I can hear the sound of violins long before they begin. Let me dance like only you know how. Sway me smooth and sway me now. Let me dance like only you know how. Sway me smooth and sway me now. Let me dance like only you know how. Sway me smooth, sway me now.
Thank you. I really do like playing that song. It's nice when we get some dances in as well. I did put it out on Facebook to get some dances in, but maybe they'll come tomorrow night, because we're here for 2 nights in a row, here today and then we're here tomorrow from 6:30 to 7:30. If anybody wants to dance at any point though, I'll come off the stage and gladly dance, because I do love to dance. Anyway, let's get on with the set. This next song we're going to do is another one of my favourites, as all my songs are. And it was written by Frank Lesser, and he did a lot of composing for musicals. And it's from Guys and Dolls, and it's called If I Were a Bell.
See as if I was a bell, I'd be ringing. From that moment
this next one is it's from about the 30s as well, I think it was 30s, and it's a lovely old gospel, a lovely old spiritual one. And a lot of people have done a lot of covers of it, and this is our version of it. It's called Lonesome Road.
just before Gabriel blows his horn. I said just before Gabriel blows his horn.
Thank you, Lonesome Road. So, we're going to move slightly away from the 1930s now. Only 40 years. My brother will know who's actually on sound tonight. The lovely Mark Q. Green. It's my brother. Woo! Mark, when did the Zepp release rock and roll? Was that 70s? Was it 60s? You would know. If it wasn't for him, I wouldn't love Led Zeppelin. It was forced listening by an older brother. Forced exposure to Led Zeppelin from an early age. And the drum kit set up in the house as well. Yeah. Ah, yeah. Anyway, it's probably 60s or 70s, isn't it? Anyway, I'm glad of the education now, because I love the Zepp. Anyway, this is our version of rock and roll. It's been a long time since I rock and roll. It's been a long time since I did the stroll. Let me get back, let me get back, let me get back. Baby, where I come from. Oh yeah. It's been a long time, been a long time, been a long, lonely, 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 lonely time. It's been a long time since the book of love. I can't count the tears of a life with no love. Carry me back, carry me back, carry me back. Baby, where I come from. Yeah. It's been a long time, been a long time, been a long, lonely, 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 lonely time.
since we rock and roll. It's been a long time since we did the stroll. Get it back, let me get back, let me get back, baby, where I come from. Yeah, yeah. It's been a long time, been a long time, been a long, lonely, 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 lonely time. It's been a long time, been a long time, been a long, lonely, 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 lonely time. Yes, thank you, Gethin Jones, for the bit of Bonham at the end there, a little bit of quoting a little Bonham there. Fabulous. It's nice to see my class over there as well. I do a little jazz workshop on a Tuesday night, and I'm late for them tonight because I'm doing this gig before I go to the class, and they're all patiently waiting there for me. I won't be long. Alright, this one's called Summertime. Summertime and the living is fish are jumping and the cotton is high. Daddy is rich and mama's good looking. So hush, little baby, and don't gonna rise up singing, spread your wings as you take to the sky. Until that morning, there ain't nothing that can harm you. With your daddy and mommy are standing by.
Thank you. Well, we got time for one more song. Thank you for listening to us. We're Kitty's Trio, and just introduce the musicians before we commence our last song. We've got the lovely Gareth Hall on the most beautiful piano. He's lucky tonight you get to play that gorgeous piano. Anyway, this is Gareth Hall. And then on the small baby bass, he usually plays the big one, but he's got problems with his car. All right, this is Steve Turner. And then fresh from the RW, from the Music College, the wonderful, lovely Gethin Jones on drums. And me, I'm Kitty, and I'm on anything else that is in my vicinity. Okay, so thank you. You can see our gigs lists online at www.kittysmusic.biz. That's our got a little calendar thing on there, you know, so you can see where we're playing next. But we are back here again tomorrow night at 6:30. Should you be in the area, do come along, and we'll be playing some of that set and probably some different ones too. Okay, this is the last song. And this is a song written by Johnny Berg and Van Heusen called Like Someone in Love. Lately I find myself out gazing at stars, hearing guitars like someone in love. Lately the things I do astound me, especially whenever you're around me. Lately I seem to walk as though I had wings, bang into things like someone in love. Each time I see you, I slip as an old love, and I'm feeling like I'm someone in love, 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 love. Lately I find myself out gazing at stars, hearing